The albatross. The Atlantic's greatest travelers. They can fly around the world in less than 50 days and cover over 70,000 miles a year. How albatross navigate across the endless blue has long been a mystery, but it is now thought they use the sound of the sea to help guide them. This female is searching for a rocky outcrop where she returns each year to breed. Finding the right one is a challenge, but the acoustics of the coast offer a clue. As waves crash against the shore, they create low-frequency sounds, unique to that stretch of coastline. Meaning each island sounds slightly different. Amazingly, scientists now believe that albatross are tuning in to these subtle differences and using them like a roadmap to find their way home. After nearly a year at sea, she touches down for the first time. And now she must find her mate. Unlike the rockhoppers who use calls to locate each other, she knows exactly where her partner is. They meet on the same nest every year. Finally reunited, they perform an intricate love song, clacking beaks and softly calling. Albatross form lifelong pairs. This couple could stay together for more than 40 years. The ocean's long-distance travelers brought together by the sound of the wild Atlantic coast.